All right, guys, so what we've got here is a Sony Walkman WM-FX481. Now, this unit's pretty cool because not only is it an AM, FM, and cassette player, it also has a TV and a weather band, so you kind of get it all with this. All right, so let's take a little bit closer look here. We've got a menu function here, which gives you mega bass and then takes you through a couple of audio settings. You've got your preset up, down, if you will, for your channels. You've got a set button, which I believe works with the enter button to set your stations, preset stations. Then we've got a tuning up and down here, and then we've got our band functions there. You've also got a hold here, which I believe once you have it set on a station and you're listening, you can hit hold, and if something hits the buttons, it won't change the station, so that's cool. Turn the unit off, you just click on this button here. On the side here, we've got play, fast forward, rewind, stop. We've got a directional. You can actually change the direction if you want. If you wanted to basically flip the tape over and listen to the other side, all you have to do is flip this switch here, and you don't have to do it by manually taking the tape in or out. You also have the continuous button here. You can select this, and this will stop it at the end of the tape, or it'll automatically flip it to the other side once it gets to the end of the tape. To access the cassette player, you open this up here, and you just simply slide your tape in the top, and then you put it down like so. On the top of the unit here, we've got our volume control and a jack for our headphones. On the opposite side of the cassette controls, you've got an open function here to access the batteries. And as you can see, there's our serial number. Because we do have this listed on eBay, it is for sale right now, and all you interested can match up the serial numbers and know that this is a working unit. All right, for those that are curious, this guy weighs in at just about 8 ounces without headphones, and we're at about 4.5 inches tall by just over 3¼ inches wide by 1 inches deep. Okay, we've got our headphones in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on the FM function. We can manually go up by pushing it, or we can push and hold and it'll scan to the next station. Switch it over to AM. All right, now we'll do the TV. So it's picking up some stuff. Go to weather band. All right, now we'll throw in a cassette, so we'll turn the radio off. Okay, so we're at the end of this tape, I guess. You can see it says tape displayed here. Got a rewind. Fast forward. And we're back at the end of the tape, so I'll rewind it again. Stop, play. Okay, and then we'll switch the directions. And then flip to the other side. All right, so that was it working, guys. If you're interested, like I said, or if you found this video from eBay, you got to see it function. All right, I've also got the original case and the original instructions for those of you interested in buying this off of eBay. But yes, it did come with this case, and the clip, the belt clip, is actually on the back of the case. It's just got a little Velcro thing here, so where you put slide the tape player in, and then you can just kind of pull it tight there. You can access the bottom, the sides, and then you've got your hold function here. Access. The case is not in the, everything's in good shape with the case except for this outer edge here is starting to flake off. That's what all these little black flakes are. It's just, this is just deteriorating over time. Everything else is okay though. So that's the only negative. I would put this in here, but if I do that, all these little black flakes get all over the face of the Walkman. Anyway, guys, that wraps it up for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.